No, paper number 376. Question number 66 to 70. It is based on seating arrangement. There are 7 people, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, are seated around a circular table facing the center clearly given. As these 7 persons are seated around a circular table facing the center, isn't it? 7 people seated around a circular table facing the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then, with equal distance between each other but not necessarily in the same order, G sits out to the left of A. As all the persons are facing towards the center, now we can fix G A at this place. G sits out to the left of A, G is here. G sits out to the left of A, only one person between A and D. As only one person between A and D, tell me how many possibilities? D can be here or D can be to the left hand side of this person, isn't it? And A is here, G is here. Only one person between A and D, D can be here. Clear now? One person between A and D, B sits to the immediate right of D. B is to the immediate right of D. Here also B sits to the immediate right of D. Only 2 people sit between B and E. Only 2 people sit between B and E. In the first case, E is here. And in the second case, only 2 people between B and E. E can be here or here. There are 2 possibilities. The next one, E is not an immediate neighbor of G. As E is not an immediate neighbor of G, E cannot be here. E is here. And next one, and F sits second to the right of E. F is seated second to the right of E. Here F is here. A, B, C is the person left over. Here F sits second to the right of E. Here it is not possible because F and G must be in the same place. And this case is completely ruled out. Now we are left with only the first one. Then who sits fourth to the left of F? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who is that person? G, choice 5. Then question number 67. What is C's position with respect to the one who sits to the immediate right of E? Immediate right of E is A, and C's position to the left end with respect to A, that is second to the left hand side. Second to the left hand side, that is choice 2. 67, it is choice 2. Then question number 68. And in the given arrangement, all the people are made to sit in alphabetical order in clockwise starting from A. Starting from A, clockwise, and this is A, B, and C, D, E, F, and G. Then the positions of how many people will remain unchanged excluding A. Excluding A, and now this is C remained at the same place, isn't it? Only one person, that is choice 5. Then next one, 69, and 4 out of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. And which one does not belong to that group? F and D. Now in between F and D, E and A adjacent, G and F, they are not adjacent, B and G adjacent, D and F adjacent, except G and F. The remaining persons are adjacent to each other, and it is given in choice 3. Then question number 70. How many people sit between G and D when counted from the right of D? Right of D in between G and D, how many persons? There is only one person, that is choice 1. Clear now? Now this is about question number 66 to 70. Then 71. Now in this 71, all the digits of the number 2, 5, 1, 9, 6 are arranged in ascending order. If they were arranged in the ascending order, the number is 1, 2, 5, 6, 9. Then what will be the sum of the second digit from the left and third digit from the right? Second from the left is 2, third from the right is 5. 2 plus 5, the sum is 7. That is choice 5, 71. Then question number 72. Now there are 4 buildings in a residential complex, L, M, and O, each having different number of floors. M has more floors than O, can be written like this. L has more floors than M, but less than N. Now this is how these 4 floors are there. If N and M have 22 and 9, L and N and M. N is how many? 22, M is 9. Then how many floors does building L possibly have? Now L must be in between this 9 and 22. In between 9 and 22, tell me what is the number here? 15. 15, that is given in choice 5. Done? Then question number 73. Now in this question number 73, all correctly remember that last time, Ali correctly remembered that last time when he traveled in the bus, he paid lesser than 30 but more than 18. That is 19 to 29. And Shimran correctly remembered that she paid more than 10 but less than 25. more than 10, less than 25, it could be 11 to 24. And for the same distance, the conductor of the bus correctly mentions that the fare for the distance is a multiple of 6. Now multiple of 6, tell me which is common between these two, 19 to 29 and 11 to 24. That is 19 to 24, isn't it? Among these 19 to 24, which are common between these two, multiples of 6 is nothing but 24. Then what is the answer here? What is the fare? The fare is 24, that is choice 3. Then question number 74, and if each vowel in the word problem is changed to the next one. Problem, the word is problem. Now each vowel is changed to the next letter. Next letter. E, O, P and E, F, these are the only two vowels, and each consonant changed to the previous letter. How many alphabets will be there in the English alphabetical sequence between letters which are fourth and third from the right end of the word? Fourth and third. Now fourth and third, L and B, isn't it? Now third one is what? From the right hand side. Here the question is about from the right hand side, from the right end of the new word. Now in this one between B and L, tell me how many words will be there, how many letters will be there? L is here. Now what is L? It is a consonant. For consonant, it must be represented as -1. For B it is A. Hence between A and K, tell me how many letters are there? More than 3. More than 3, that is choice 3. Now for this one, -1 should not be, okay, written at all. Why? Because the difference between these two will also be the difference between these two, because their -1, the differences will be the same. Hence more than 3, choice 3. Then question number 75, A, B, C, D. First check out the first elements here, A, B, C, D, E. And the last element C plus 2, E plus 2, G plus 2, I plus 2 is K, E and K. Among the given choices, E and K is given only in choice 4. And the numbers 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Now the numbers are the odd numbers in the descending order, choice 4. Then question number 76 to 80. These 5 are based on a sequence. If all the numbers and symbols are dropped, the numbers and symbols are dropped, then what will be left over? Only the letters will be left over. Then among the letters, which will be the 8th from the right hand. 8th from the right hand, only the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tell me what is the answer here? G, that is choice 3. Then next one, 77. Now in this question number 77, 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. That is A, 5 at the rate of. A and 5 at the rate of A to 5, 1, 2, 3 plus 3 at the rate of -2. That is plus 3 minus 2. And CU percentage, and C and U, C to U, 1, 2, 3 plus 3, percentage is -2, plus 3 minus 2. And next one, K, 2 and 4. Now in this K, 2 and 4, yes, tell me what is the element here. K to 2 plus 3 and -2. Here again the difference between the elements is 3 and 2. M, W and copyright 1, 2, 3 and -2. And Z, K and. Z and K, what is the difference here? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 and -3. Except choice 4, 5. And in the remaining term, the difference between the elements is 3 and 2, 3 and 2. Here in choice 5 is 4 and 3. Hence choice 5 is the odd one. Then question number 78. How many such letters are there? In the given arrangement, letter we are representing with L. How many letters are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a number? Preceding means coming before this one and immediately followed by a symbol. Hence number, letter and symbol should be the sequence. Now number, letter and symbol should be the sequence. This is number, letter, it is not followed by a symbol. Next one, number, letter and symbol. Number, letter and 4 is not a symbol. This is number not followed by letter. Now 2C percentage, that is 1, isn't it? Number, letter and symbol. Next one, number 8 and 9 is a number, and V and L. Then hence how many are there? There is only one such type, that is choice 3. Then question number 79. Which of the following is 9th to the left of 19th from the left hand? 9th left to 19th left. Left and left. Left and left, same direction, hence subtract between these two. 19 minus 9 is 10th from the left hand side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th from the left hand side is 7, choice 4. Then question number 80. Now how many such even numbers? Now the question is about an even number. Are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a consonant. Even number followed by a consonant. Now what is the even number here? Now 3, 7, 4 is an even number not followed by consonant. 2 followed by a consonant C, 2 even number, 8 even number not followed by consonant, and 6, and it is not, it is followed by a vowel. And so what is your answer here? There is only one such even number which is followed by a consonant, choice 5, 80. Then question number 81 and 82. Now in this one, how many people are there? There are only 7 people, M and OP, and they are facing towards north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And S sits second from one of the extrements of the line. S can be here, and the other possibility is 4, 5, 6, 7. S can be left extreme or right extreme. Only 2 people between P and S, 2 people between P and S. Next one, P sits second to the right of O. P is seated second to the right of O, hence P is seated second to the right of O. Only 2 people between O and Q. 2 people between O and Q. In the first case, Q is to the immediate right of P, and in the second case also, Q is to the immediate right of P. M is neither an immediate neighbor of P nor S. M cannot be here, and M cannot be here, and M cannot be here. There is no place left for this M. The second possibility is ruled out, and M is neither an immediate neighbor of M nor S, P nor S. M cannot be here, M cannot be here, hence M must be here. If M is here, R does not sit at any one of the extrements, R is here, then the person who is left over is N. Hence what is order? NSO or PQM. Then as per the given arrangement, O is related to Q. O is 3 places to the left of Q, and N is related to R. N is 3 places to the left of R. S is related to S is 3 places to the left of whom? P. P, that is choice 5. Then question number 82. How many people sit between S and R? Now in between S and R there is only one person, that is O, that is choice 2. Now this is about question number 81 and 82. Then 83. Now in this question number 83, it is based on coding and decoding. BRAID, bride. It is coded as DPCGF, isn't it? Now B and D plus 2, R and P minus 2, A and C plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. And similarly stole, S plus 2, T minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 is fine. Hence now the code to the word knife. As tell me what is the code to the word knife here? K plus 2 is so much M, N plus 2 is L, I plus 2 K, F minus 2 D, E plus 2 Z, ML KDZ, that is choice 4, 83. Then question number 84 onwards, 84 to 88. 84 to 88, these are based on coded inequalities. Then the relation between I and L. Between L and I there are 2 opposite symbols, hence no relation between these 2. And second one G and O. Now between O and G, which symbol is common here? Greater than is common. O greater than G is true. G lesser than O is also true. And so only 2 follows. Only 2, that is choice 2. Then question number 85, V and T. Now the relation between V and T cannot be identified because there are 2 opposite symbols, I and R. Again between I and R there are 2 opposite symbols, hence neither 1 nor 2. Neither 1 nor 2, choice 5. Then question number 86, relation between T and E. Now T greater than or equals to E means E lesser than or equals to T, definitely true. S and G. Now between G and S, G lesser than or equals to S means S greater than or equals to G is also true. Hence both the conclusions follow, that is choice 5, isn't it? Next one, as question number 87. Now in this 87, the relation between A and M. Now between A and M, forget about this equals to, which symbol is common? A greater than or equals to M, M lesser than or equals to A, definitely true. Then between C and I. Now between C and I, lesser than greater than 2 opposite symbols, that is false. And so only conclusion 1 is true, that is choice 1. Then question number 88. Now relation between D and L is given. L is here, D is here, between these 2, forget about this equals to. L is lesser than or equals to D. As L is lesser than or equals to D, D is either greater than or equals to. Either greater or equals to, either 1 or 2, it is choice 4. Either 1 or 2, it is choice 4, question number 88. Done? Then 89. Now the word craving, C-R-A-V-I-N-G. Now in this word craving, each of how many such pairs of letters are there which have as many letters between them? Starting with C, Start counting this one: C, D, E, F, G, H, I, R, S, T, U, V, W, A, B, C, D, E, and we no letter more than this one, I, J, K, and so on. Left hand side to right hand side, we could not able to find out even a single pair. And right to left, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, between N and R. Here there are 3 letters. In the alphabetical also we have only 3 letters. Next one, I, J, K, L, M, and V, A, B, and C. And so how many pairs are there? There are 3 such pairs. Choice 4. Then question number 90. Now in this 90, P is the daughter of whom? P is the daughter of A. A is here. Now P is the daughter of A. S is the brother of A. S is the brother of A. S is married to W. S a male married to W a female. Q is the mother-in-law of W. As Q is the mother-in-law of W means Q is the mother of both these two persons A and S. And how is Q related to P? Now P's parents, mother, that is grandmother, choice 3. 90 days, choice 3. Then question number 91. Town M is 6 kilometers to the west of L. L is here, M is here, the distance between these two is 6 meters, and N is 15 meters to the north of M. Now this N is how many meters? 15 meters to the north of M. O is 6 meters to the east of N. O is 6 meters to the east of N. Then P is 3 kilometers to the south of O. From here, P is just 3 kilometers to the south of O. How far and in which direction is P from L? Yes, tell me what is the distance between these two? Now we need to find out the distance between L and P. The total distance is 15. Now this is north and 3 towards south, and both these two are what? 15 and 3 opposite direction, that is 12 meters. Now the distance between these two is 12 meters, and P is towards which direction? North. And it's 12 meters north, that is choice 1, 91. Then 92 to 94, now it is based on set of numbers. Now in this set of numbers, what will be the resultant if third digit of the highest number? Yes, tell me what is the highest number in this? 8. 918 is the highest number and the third digit is 8. Is multiplied with the third digit of the lowest number. Lowest number is 215 and the third digit is 5. 8 into 5, 40, that is choice 3. Then 93. Now in question number 93, 3 is subtracted from the third digit of every odd number. Every odd number 3 is subtracted, this will be 526, isn't it? Now this will be 314 and this will be 211, and 1 is added to the third digit of every even number. Even number 1 is added, this will be 919 and this will be 247. Then how many numbers as found will be divisible by 5? As divisible by 5 means the last digit must be what? Last digit must be 5. And so what is your answer? None of this, isn't it? Then 93, none. Then question number 94, second order. If all the digits within each number are arranged in the descending order within the number from left hand side to right hand side. Descending order means the first number will be 981 and the next one will be 642 and 952, isn't it? And 731 and 521. Then from left to right, which of the following will form the second largest number? Now first largest number 981, second largest number 952. 952, this 952 we are getting from where? Now 529, that is choice 3, 94. Then question number 95, if only one meaningful word can be made with second, 6 and 8. Second, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Tell me what are the letters here? O, N and T. As tell me what are the words that can be formed using each letter exact ones. Not is one, and what is the next one? T-O-N, ton, isn't it? Now hence T-O-N, ton and N-O-T, not are the two words that can be formed with the help of this one. If no such word can be formed X, more than one such word Z, and so what is the answer here? And Z. Z, that is choice 2. Then 96 to 100. Now in this 96 to 100 and 7 friends. Who are those 7 friends? L, M, N, O, P, Q and R having a convocation ceremony on 7 different days of the same week starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, isn't it? And also likes a different flower. Now the flower is also clearly given. Flower is also clearly given here. Then as condition number 1 quick. Now in this condition number 1, the one who has a convocation ceremony on Friday like Lotus. Friday is what? Friday is Lotus. Now this is Lotus. And L has a convocation ceremony on Thursday. L is Thursday and likes Dicey. Dicey is here. And next one. And the one who likes Marigold has a convocation ceremony immediately after M. Immediately after M. And what is that one? Marigold. And these two must be adjacent to each other. And next one. The one who likes Lily has a convocation ceremony immediately before the one who likes Rose. And Lily is immediately before the one who likes Rose. And Lily and Rose must be adjacent. Then what is the next one here? And who likes Rose? The one who likes Lily does not have a convocation ceremony on any one of the days before L. Hence Lily must be after this L. As Lily is after this L, as tell me where should this Lily? Lily is on Saturday and immediately followed by Rose. Rose is on Sunday, isn't it? And R has a convocation ceremony on Monday. R is Monday and does not like Orchid. R does not like Orchid. Orchid, that is cross. And next one. And O likes neither Lily nor Rose. O likes neither Lily nor Rose. Hence O cannot be in these two places, neither Lily nor Rose. And does not have a convocation ceremony on any one of the days before L. Hence O must be on Friday. Clear now? And O is on Friday. Next one. And P does not have a convocation ceremony immediately after O. P does not have a convocation ceremony immediately after O. Now earlier we have one more information, M and Marigold. Yes, where can we have this M and Marigold? M is here, then Marigold will be here, isn't it? And we have taken this information. And P does not have a convocation immediately after O. As P cannot be immediately after O and immediately before L, and so P must be here. If P is here, Q does not like Lily, as Q is here. If Q is here, tell me who is the person left over? N is the person left over. Then R and M. This R does not like Orchid. This M likes Orchid. If M likes Orchid, then what is the other thing left over here? Jasmine. Now this R likes Jasmine. Then question number 96, and which based on the given arrangement. Based on the given arrangement, which are the following statements is true? R has a convocation ceremony immediately before Q, and M has a convocation ceremony immediately before O. And only two people have a convocation between M and N. Between M and N, there are three persons. One person is a convocation ceremony between O and P, definitely true, choice 5. And 97, and which of the following represents the day on which M has his convocation? M is on Tuesday, choice 1. Then 98, now in this 98, which among the following flowers does Q likes? As Q likes Marigold, choice 3. Done? Now with this, exactly 20 minutes was done. Yes, so how many questions we could able to do? 98. 98 means 33. ఇంకొక 1 minute ఉంటుంటే మనకు అరెండ్ అయిపోయాయి. And this is the problem with what we face with these puzzles. Unless and otherwise you have worked out everything, we cannot able to solve the question. Other remaining questions ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, individual type of questions, 1 or 2 we can able to do. Isn't it? Now, 99 and 100. ఇక ఆరాంగా చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం. చెప్పండి 99. Which of the following represents the day on which M has his convocation ceremony? M has his convocation ceremony on Tuesday. Isn't it? Tuesday, that is choice 3. Next one, 100. Now question number 100, 4 out of the following. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. L Monday. Between L and M, L is 3 days after Monday. M and Thursday. M and Thursday. M is before Thursday. And R Wednesday. R is before Wednesday. O is before O and Sunday. O is before Sunday and Q is before Friday. And except choice 1 in the remaining, now the person is before the day given. Choice 1 is the answer. Clear? Yes, anything left over in this paper? And చెప్పండి 66 to 100 ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉండే చెప్పాలి. Yes, question number 66 to 100. స్పీడ్గా చెప్పుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది, అందుకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ 1 second. 66 to 100. Yes, so how many of you have worked this one? How many could able to score 35 out of 30? Because most of the questions key is given wrong, isn't it? Or else, టైం అయితే సరిపోయింది కదా మీకు, డెఫినెట్గా సరిపోవాలి టైం. Then this next one, number series 81 to 85. Is done with this 81 to 85. Is now question numbers 46 to 50. First go through the directions once. In this question a number series is given. After the series a number is followed by A, B, C, D and E, isn't it? After the series the number is followed by A, B, C, D and E is given. You have to complete the series starting with the given number, following the sequence of the original series and answer the question that follows the series. Now, the series is starting with 4 and ending with 13,000. As the numbers are increasing at a very faster rate, it must be under product or combination. Product is not possible because 4 and 35 you cannot relate these two in the product. Hence, it must be under combination. Then in the combination, yes, in the case of combination, we should always try it out the highest pair only. Avuna kada? Last one only pettukoవాలి. Then 4344 and 13,000 if you observe here. Now this is multiplied with how much? Into 3, isn't it? Into 3 plus how much? Into 3 plus 3. Then 1000 and 344. Now 1000 into 4, 85, 170, 170, 340 plus 4, 344 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4. This is into 5 plus 5. Now 216 into 5, how much is that? 216 into 5, 1080. 200 into 5000, 16 into 5, 80. 1080 plus 5, 185. And this is into 6 plus 6. And this will be into 7 plus 7. And if you have started with 4 and 35, you will have n number of possibilities. Isn't it? 4 into 5, 20 plus 15. 4 into 6, 24 plus 11. And 4 into 7 plus 8. 4 into 8 plus 3. 4 into 9 minus 1, 4 into 10 minus 5, you will have n number of possibilities. Hence, in the case of combination, we should always check out at the highest pair only. Then starting with 9. Now, starting with 9, 9 into what? 9 into 7 plus 7. 9 into 7 plus 7. Now, the question is about C. 9 into 7 is how much? 63 plus 7 is how much? 70. Isn't it? 70 is A. And 70 into 6 plus 6, 420 plus 6, 426. Next one, 426 into 5 is so much? Now 2130 plus 5, 2135. 2135, that is choice 4 into 5 plus 5. Now the question is about the number that is coming in the place of C, choice 4. Into 7 plus 7, into 6 plus 6, into 5 plus 5, into 4 plus 4, into 3 plus 3. Then question number 82, 47. Now in this question number 47, 964, 441, 264 and so on. Now 964, 444 and 2640 and next one 13195. Then what is the relation between these elements? As now 9 and 64 and 2640 and 13,000. As tell me how to express this one. 2640 into 6. 26 into 6 is how much? 52, 52, 104, 104, and it will be 15, 150 plus. Isn't it? Hence, it cannot be into 6. Hence, we need to have that approximation because we cannot multiply each and every number with into 1, into 2 and so on. Now, 2600 and 13,000. Hence, it must be how much? Into 5. Now, 26 into 5 is how much? 1320. 1320 means 13,200 minus 5 into 5. Into 5 minus 5. Then next one, 441 and 2640. Now 400 and 2600, and it must be multiplied with how much? Into 6. Into 6 is how much? 2646 minus 6 will be 2640. into 5 minus 5 into 6 minus 6, this must be into 7 minus 7. This is into 8 minus 8, check out whether it is into 8 minus 8 or not. 9 into 8, 72 minus 8 is 64. Then, now we need to identify the number that is coming in the place of C. Starting with the 4, 4 into 8, 32 minus 8. What is 32 minus 8? 24, and 24 into 7. 24 into 7 is how much? 140, 168. 168 minus 7, 161. If it is 161 into 6 minus 6, as 169 into 6 minus 6 is how much? 961, isn't it? And minus 6 is how much? 960 is the answer. Clear? Now this is about question number 82, choice 3. Into 8 minus 8, into 7 minus 7, into 6 minus 6, into 5 minus 5, and so on. Then question number 48. Now 3, 4, 16, 75, 364, isn't it? Again the numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Hence it must be under which category? Combination. Because 3 and 4 cannot be related. 75 into 4, how much? 300 plus 64, 364. Then 3 into 1 plus 1, and 4 into 2, 8 plus 8, and 16. And 16 into 3, 48 plus how much? 27 is 75. Into 1 plus 1 cube, into 2 plus 2 cube, into 3 plus 3 cube, into 4 plus 4 cube. Now we need to start with 5. Now 5 into 1 plus 1 is how much? 5 into 1 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 2, 12 plus 8 is 20. And 20 into 3, 60 plus 27 is 87. Now 87 into 4 plus how much? 4 plus 64. Yes, 87 into 4 plus 64, 7 into 4, 28 plus 4, 32. Among the given choices, 2 at the last digit is given in choice 1 only. No need to count the entire value. That is choice 1. Clear? Into 1 plus 1 cube, into 2 plus 2 cube, into 3 plus 3 cube, and so on. Then next one, question number 49. Now in this 49, now again starting with 36 and ending up 2700, numbers are increasing at a very fast rate, it must be under combination. Now 933 and 927, 2700, it must be into 3. And 33 into 3, 99, and this is 96, hence it is minus 3. Then 312 into 3, 936, minus 3. 105 into 3, how much? 315, minus 3. 36 into 3, 103 minus 3, 105. Into 3 minus 3, into 3 minus 3, and so on. Then now we need to start with 24. Now 24 into how much? 24 and D. Now 24 and D, tell me what is the answer here? Now 24 into 3 is how much? 72. 24 into 3, 72. 72 minus 3 is 69. Now 69 into 3, 70 into 3, 210. Minus 3, 207. 207 minus 3, 204. And 204 into 3, how much is that? 612. 612. 612 minus 3, 609. Now it is 609. Now A, B, C. 609 into 3. 1827 minus 3, 1824, choice 2. Then question number 50. Now in this 50, 956. Now number once decreased, from there onwards it has increased. 9 and 5, how can I express this one? 9 into 0.5 is 4.5 plus 4.5 is 5. And 5 into 1 plus 1. And this is into 1.5 plus 1.5. And this is into 2 plus 2. And next one 17. 17 into 0.5 is 8.5 plus 0.5. How much is that? 9. And 9 into 1 plus 1, 10. 10 into 1.5 plus 1.5. How much is that? Chappan is 16.5. And 16.5 into how much? A, B, C. And into 2 plus 2. And it will be 16.5 into 2 is 33 plus 2, 35. And 35 into 2.5 plus 2.5. Now 35 into how much? 35 into 2.5 hai kada? 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Then 35 into 2.5, enta avutundi cheppandi? 70. 70 plus 17.5, 87.5 plus 2.5 is 90. Choice 5 is the answer. Clear? And this is about question numbers 81 to 82.